In this video, I'm going to show you how to track top holders wallets on GMGN. Now, first you'll need a GMGN account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Again, link down below. You will not regret it. So to actually track top holders wallets, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is over here inside your trenches, let's say you find a meme coin that's doing well. So I'm just going to open up a random one over here, and then down here at the bottom you want to click on holders. Okay, now whenever you click on holders here, you're going to be able to see the top holders, and of course you can just go ahead and hover over them, and then you'll be able to see how they're basically doing. And if you actually find a wallet, a top holder you would actually like to track, so for example, let's say over here one of these wallets is actually good and you'd actually like to trade them or track them, you can just go ahead and click on it, and it's going to basically copy the address to clipboard. And here you can then go to track, click on wallet, and then add wallet. You can just basically type in or paste in the wallet address, give a wallet a name, and then you can basically set an emoji as well if you want to do that too. So it's completely up to you. And then here you can just go ahead and add the wallet, and just like that you're basically now tracking the top holders wallets. Okay, now of course you must make sure you actually do select good wallets for this, but when you do, you'll be able to track them in here. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.